to my channel. How is everything with you? And like we used to say, we solve simple problems on maths. Today we have a question on the board, and the question is: a boat sails 6 kilometers from a port X on a bearing of 065 degrees, and thereafter 30 kilometers on a bearing of 136 degrees. What is the distance and the bearing of the boat from X? I repeat, what is the distance and the bearing of the boat from X? We are looking for two things here. We are looking at for the distance, and we are looking for what? The bearing of the boat from X. Let's start. Looking at my first question, when you are solving questions on bearing, remember that bearing has to do with navigation, drawing from the north. So it means that if I have something like this, remember this is north, south, west, east. So if I put this here, let's say this is my 065 degrees. So for my 065 degrees, this is 6 kilometers. Because it said the distance it has made is 6 kilometers. Anywhere it gets to, draw another cardinal system. So from here, I have another section of 136 degrees. This is 90. Coming into this place is 136. I will extend this line more because for 136 degrees, it is 13 kilometers. So I'll put this here and I'll close it. Having done that, if this is 136 degrees, then the next thing I'll do is, if this is 065, then it means alternate angles, this is 065. If this is 136, angle on the straight line is what? 180. 180 minus 136, that's 044. So if I come here, this is 065 plus 044, that gives me 1090 degrees. Remember, this is 13 kilometers. Now, if this is x, this is y, and this is what? Z. The statement here is, whenever you have x, to this direction, 13 kilometers will be small x. Whenever you have y, small y will be what? From big Y, you have small y, and z will be what? 6 kilometers. So this is y. So from cosine rule, which is y squared, equals x squared plus z squared minus 2xz cos big Y. So that is x squared is to this direction, that's 13 squared, plus z squared is what? 6 squared, x is 13, z is 6, cos 109. 13 squared is what? 169. 6 squared is 36. Minus, now using my calculator, 2 times 13 times 6, that's 156. Cos 109. So from here, this and this will give you what? 205 minus, what is 156 cos? 109. So that is minus 5.78. So if you add that up, that's 255.78. Remember, y squared is this. So the square root of both sides. So y equals to what? Square root of 255.78. So y is what? 15.99 kilometers. Congratulations, because you just got a distance of 15.99 kilometers. So if this is 15.99 kilometers, then now coming to the angle, if you look at it, we said that we want to get the bearing of z from x. Plus, whenever they tell you to get the bearing of z from x, because the statement is what's the distance of the bearing, the distance and bearing of the boat from x, it's ended at z. So it means that we are going to get the bearing of z from x. Now, when you are told to get the bearing of z from x, it means that the bearing is at x. If you are told to get the bearing of y from z, it means that the bearing is at z. So let's proceed for this. So coming here, we put theta here. So sine rho, sine theta over 13 equals sine 109 over what? 15.9. Cross multiply. This is sine theta times 15.99 equals 13 times sine 109. Divide through by 15.99. 15.99. This cancels this. So 13 times sine 109 divided by 15.99. So that will be sine theta equals 0.7687. So when you take sine to this place, that will be arc sine 0.7687. Shift arc sine answer. So that's theta equals to 50.23 degrees. Now, if this place is 50.23 degrees, it means that your new value for theta is 50.23 degrees. So the statement here is, what is variance of z from x? If I draw something like this here, if I look at this very carefully, you see that the distance or the variance of z from x will be x equals 0.65 degrees plus 0.50.23 degrees. And we'll do a final confirmation of that, plus 65. The final answer for x is what? 115.23 degrees. So that is the bearing of z from x, and this is the distance of between x and z. Thank you very much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, view and share. When you do this, you give access to YouTube to share this to people that need this idea. Thanks and God bless. Bye.